Good morning! The worksheet for today is lesson 50. Let's read the story first, then you will see a picture. The first word in the story has a ball. The other words in the story have boxes. Everybody touch the ball for the first word. Touch the box for the next word. Touch the box for the next word. Now we are going to sound out the words. Finger on the ball for the first word. Sound it out. Get ready. It. Again. Sound it out. Get ready. It. What word? It. Finger on the box for the next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Is. Again. Sound it out. Get ready. Is. How do we say the word? Is. Finger on the box for the next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Fat. Again. Sound it out. Get ready. Fat. What word? Fat. Get ready to read this story again. Everybody finger on the first ball. Sound it out. Get ready. It. What word? It. Next word. Get ready. Is. What word? Is. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Fat. What word? Fat. Now I'm going to read this sentence the fast way. My turn. Listen. It is fat. Your turn. Get ready. Good job. It is fat. When you see the picture, you're going to say, it is fat. Ready for the picture? Did you say it? It is fat. What is fat? Yes, the dog. Good job. Now we're going to go over the parts of the worksheet. In this part, you're going to cross out the I, and you will circle At the bottom, you will match your sounds. Let's go over the sounds in the first column. First sound, get ready. Next sound, get ready. Next sound, get ready. Next sound, show me your mouth. Get ready. Next sound, get ready. Next sound, get ready. E. On the last part, you're going to practice writing your sounds. Let's go over the sounds in the columns that you're going to practice writing. First sound, get ready. Next 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 sound, get ready. Good job. And after you do all your pencil work, you can color the picture of the fat dog. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Bye.